both the signals are exponential signals. Here x5 of t means name of the signal, you need not get confused. X5 of t means y-axis, when you write name of the signal, it should be x5 written. Okay. The question itself, the name of the signal is given. We have nothing to do in that. Okay. And now coming to x of t, the first one, exponential signals. We are going to calculate, find the power and RMS value. Find power and RMS value for the signals. Two signals are given, both are exponential signals. Okay. So now if you see, the formula is same, it is continuous time, formula is same. Limit t tends to infinite 1 by t integration minus t by 2 to plus t by 2 and mod x of t square dt. Mod x of t square dt. This is equation 1 formula for power. But if you substitute the exponential, what will happen? So 1 by t integration e power j alpha t cos omega naught t modulus of this entire thing square dt. Limits are minus t by 2 to plus t by 2. Okay. So if you have e power j theta, it can be written as cos theta plus j sin theta. When you do modulus and square, what will happen? Modulus of e power j theta and square of that. Okay. So modulus is nothing but square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay. So a plus jb modulus is nothing but square root of a square plus b square. The same I am doing here. A plus jb. Okay. And if you do modulus, it is square root of a square plus b square. And after modulus, you are squaring it. So what will happen? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. The value we know, it is 1. Okay. So irrespective of theta value, whatever may be the theta value, e power j alpha t is present in our question. Modulus square, which means modulus, okay, square root of cos alpha t, okay, cos square alpha t plus sin square alpha t, and after modulus you have a square, and finally when you operate, the value will become 1. Okay, cos square alpha t plus sin square alpha t is nothing but theta, value is 1. Okay. So now I will go with equation 2. I am calculating power in equation 2. In equation 2, I am calculating power. Okay, I am calculating power. So it is nothing but limit t tends to infinite 1 by t integration minus t by 2 to plus t by 2, and then here I have e power, okay, modulus e power j alpha t square into modulus cos omega naught t square, okay, dt. And I know that this modulus value equal to 1. So I have to go with only cos square. Again, I know that cos square can be written as 1 by t integration minus t by 2 to plus t by 2. Cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos, okay, 2 omega naught t divided by 2. Cos square theta, I am writing 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2 dt. And again, this second term average value is 0. Equal to 0. Okay. And I don't have free space, so I will continue this side. I may finish the answer here, this portion. Okay. And I am continuing here. So power is nothing but limit t tends to infinite 1 by t integration minus t by 2 to plus t by 2. I have only half into dt. Okay. So when we simplify this, this is limit t tends to infinite 1 by t half, and then small t is the integration minus t by 2 to plus t by 2. The t will get cancelled. When you substitute the limit, okay, the t will get cancelled. Power is nothing but limit t tends to infinite, 1 by t, 1 by 2, and substituting upper limit t by 2 minus of minus t by 2, it will become t. T and t will get cancelled, so half watts is the answer. No small t or no capital T is present, so we need not substitute the limit. Limit also not used here because this t and t will get cancelled. No t is present, you need not substitute the limits. Only half is there, so half watts is the power value. Now RMS value, we know that square root of power, square root of power. Okay, 1 by root 2 is nothing but 0.707. So 1 by root 2 value is 0.707. This is the value for RMS. Okay, and now there is a shortcut here. The same formula, I will go with the shortcut here. If you see the first question here, coming to the solution, I have derived it so long. If something is present with, if something is present with exponential, okay, if something is like this, x of t equal to a e power j omega t, okay, cos omega 2t. This omegas need not be same. My intention is this is omega 1t, this is omega 2t. Okay, the frequencies need not be same. That is my intention for telling here. And in this case, power is nothing but a square. A square. In exponential terms, power is nothing but a square. You see here, when sinusoidal terms separately present, power is nothing but a square by 2. But here power is a square. Okay, so a value is 1 here. A value, multiplication factor is 1 here. Okay, and 1 square by 2. Cosine is there. Cosine is there, so it should be a square by 2. Okay, so in the second problem, if you see this of the form a e power j omega t, simply exponential is there. In this case, power is a square. Here a constant a is present. Okay, no particular value. So a square is the power value, and RMS is nothing but square root of power, which is nothing but a. Okay, this is the shortcut. For calculating power. From power, we have to calculate RMS value. Because cosine is present, we have to take a square by 2 only in the first term. Okay, and here multiplication is 1, so 1 by 2, and RMS value, it is square root of power, which is nothing but 1 by root 2. Square root of power, which is nothing but 1 by root 2. Okay, now I will go with the fourth problem here. I will derive and show you how it is coming as a square. This question I have the long derivation. These are shortcuts. Okay, this complete slide I have gone with shortcut formulas, shortcuts for power calculation. Okay, same questions I have taken. So the formulas directly for 1 mark questions, you can use this. Now the fourth problem I have here on the right side. If you see power calculation, I am going with power calculation. And here coming to the solution, equation 1, okay, it holds good. Directly I will substitute in the formula limit t tends to infinite 1 by t integration minus t by 2 to plus t by 2, and whatever signal is there, modulus of the signal, okay, square dt. And I told you e power j theta means it is cos theta plus j sin theta. And when you make modulus, okay, it will be square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. When you make square, the value will become 1. Okay, and here what I have, limit t tends to infinite and 1 by t integration minus t by 2 to plus t by 2. I have a square constant. Other term, I have e power j omega naught t modulus square. This value is 1. Okay, that value is 1. In the next step, I will substitute 1. Okay, integration minus t by 2 to plus t by 2, a square into 1 into dt. Okay, so when we do integration, what will happen? Limit t tends to infinite 1 by t integration, when I do integration, okay. So when I do integration, what will happen? A square is constant, and then integration of 1 is small t, and we are substituting the limit minus t by 2 to plus t by 2. Okay, and in the next term we will have, in the next step we will have t tends to infinite, and 1 by t is there, a square is there. When you substitute the limit t by 2 minus of minus t by 2, so it will become t. This t and t will get cancelled. Okay, because capital T is not there, you need not substitute the limit. So a square is the value. We are calculating power. Power value we got a square. So we know that RMS value is nothing but square root of power, and it is nothing but a. Square root of power, it is nothing but a. Okay, this is how with cosine and without cosine, exponential factors with cosine and without cosine. So we got the same value. Shortcut I had told you, if simply exponential alone is there, we should use a square. If without exponential, with cosine is there, we have to use with exponential. With cosine, we have to use a square by 2. Okay, I will stop here. Yes, tell me.